Guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the AIZEN sword in Sailor Piece. So let's get straight into the video. So if you guys want to go ahead and find out how to get the AIZEN sword, make sure you watch the video up until the end. But anyways, let's get straight into it. So what you guys want to do is you want to go ahead and make your way over to the Hollow Island. Once you go ahead and make your way over to the Hollow Island, what you want to then do is make your way over to the AIZEN NPC. I believe he should be somewhere around the outskirts, so let me go ahead and just find him. I believe he's here. Yep, he's right here. So go ahead and just talk to this guy, and what you want to do from here is just basically complete all of the quests. The first one is going to be kill 250 hollows. Then I think the second one is going to be like find a specific fragment, which you guys can get from again killing the hollows. These should be the hollows right here. But you want to basically just go ahead and complete all of his quests. And once you complete his quests, you guys can go ahead and at the end we'll be able to fight him, and then you can go ahead and unlock his sword. So it should be pretty simple and pretty easy to follow. Just go ahead and keep following his quest and you guys will be good to go. So that should be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.